Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Cars Mania. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Chevrolet Traverse, a three-row SUV that has undergone a complete transformation. With a bold new design, an upgraded interior, and a refined powertrain, this SUV is ready to take on the competition. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Before watching the video, kindly like and subscribe channel by hitting the bell icon. Right off the bat, the Traverse looks more rugged and commanding than ever. Chevy has given it a more truck-like appearance, with a squared-off front end, a massive grille, and sleek LED headlights that give it a modern yet aggressive look. The front fascia is bolder, and depending on the trim, you can get blacked-out accents, chrome details, or even sporty touches on the RS model. Moving to the side, the Traverse has a longer and more sculpted design compared to the previous generation. The strong character lines and prominent wheel arches add to its muscular stance. It rides on a set of stylish wheels, ranging from 18-inch alloys on the base trim to 22-inch options on higher trims. And yes, ground clearance has improved slightly, making it more capable for light off-road adventures. At the rear, Chevy has ditched the rounded look for a sharper, more SUV-like tailgate. The LED taillights are slimmer and more futuristic, and the integrated roof spoiler adds a touch of sportiness. The dual exhaust tips on the RS trim give it a more performance-oriented feel. Overall, it's clear that Chevrolet wanted the Traverse to have more presence on the road. Stepping inside, the 2025 Traverse takes a major leap forward in terms of design and technology. The dashboard is completely redesigned, featuring a massive 17.7-inch touchscreen, which now comes standard on all trims. Chevy has finally moved away from the traditional button-heavy layout, giving the cabin a clean, modern look. The digital driver display is fully customizable, and the steering wheel now has a more premium feel with a flat-bottom design on sportier trims. The Traverse continues to offer 3 rows of seating, but comfort has been enhanced. Depending on the trim, you can get premium cloth, leatherette, or real leather upholstery. The front seats are well bolstered and offer heating and ventilation. Second-row captain's chairs are available for extra comfort, or you can opt for a bench seat to maximize passenger capacity. The third row has decent space for adults, making this a family-friendly option. When it comes to practicality, the Traverse excels. There's a ton of storage space, with clever compartments and a deep center console. Cargo space is generous, and with the rear seats folded down, you get an impressive amount of room for all your gear. Power folding seats make loading and unloading even easier. Technology-wise, Chevy has packed the Traverse with features. The new infotainment system is faster, more intuitive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A premium Bose sound system is available for audiophiles, and multiple USB-C ports ensure everyone stays connected. The Traverse also offers built-in Google Assistant, allowing you to control functions with voice commands. Under the hood, Chevrolet has made some big changes. The 2025 Traverse is now powered by a 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, producing 328 horsepower and 326 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and comes with front-wheel drive as standard, while all-wheel drive is available for those who need extra traction. Despite the switch from a V6 to a Turbo 4, power delivery feels strong, and the torque kicks in early, making highway merges and passing maneuvers effortless. The Traverse offers multiple drive modes, including normal, sport, off-road, and tow/haul, adjusting the throttle response and traction control for different conditions. The all-wheel drive system can send power to the rear wheels when needed, improving grip on slippery surfaces. Towing capacity is rated at up to 5,000 pounds, making it suitable for hauling trailers, boats, or small campers. On the road, the Traverse feels stable and composed. The ride quality is smooth, thanks to a well-tuned suspension that absorbs bumps without feeling too soft. Steering is light yet responsive, making it easy to maneuver despite its size. Road noise is minimal, adding to the refined driving experience. Safety is a major focus in the 2025 Traverse. Chevy has equipped it with standard Chevy Safety Assist, which includes automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, and forward collision warning. Higher trims add features like adaptive cruise control, a 360-degree camera, and hands-free Super Cruise on select models, making long highway drives more comfortable and stress-free. The Traverse comes in multiple trims, each catering to different buyers. The base LS trim starts around $39,000, offering solid features for the price. The LT trim adds more comfort and convenience features, while the RS trim, priced around $50,000, brings a sportier design and upgraded tech. For those who want a more rugged look, the new Z71 trim, with all-terrain tires and off-road focused tuning, sits in the mid-$40,000 range. Finally, the top-tier high country trim, packed with luxury features, tops out at around $55,000. So, is the 2025 Chevrolet Traverse worth it? With its bold new design, improved technology, and more powerful turbo engine, it's definitely a strong contender in the three-row SUV segment. If you're looking for a stylish, spacious, and tech-packed family SUV, the Traverse is absolutely worth considering. But what do you think? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more car reviews. See you in the next video.